Before you turn 40, there are a few financial decisions that could completely change your future. And in this video, I'll share with you just three out of the many that exist. Myself, I am on my journey to 40 and I've already started applying these decisions I'm about to share with you. Number one, decide to own assets early. Most of the times when we hear assets, the first thing that goes to many people's mind is something very big, probably a house of rental income, something that's very big. While that is true, in some cases it is not always true. You can decide to start small, but you have to think assets. An asset is anything that would generate income for you over a period of time, consistently for a long period of time, right? Assets just means anything that can be bringing money into your pocket. It could be a skill you're developing right now, a digital skill, a hands-on skill that you can use to get money for a certain period of time that you can in turn use to get an asset. But be an asset-minded person and start thinking about it early. The core thing here is not necessarily the asset. The thing here is decide to own assets early, because time is one of the greatest advantage any investor has, and time only makes sense when it happens early, right? So decide to own assets early. Number two is decide to invest consistently, right? Again, it is not just about one big investment. Oh, I just want to wait till I can afford to buy one Bitcoin, Bitcoin, whatever it is, or to own one rental apartment of 8 units in Maitama. Those sound really big and sound really good. But however, everyone grows to that point by consistently doing something that takes them there, just like I am doing myself. So you have to, number one, I said, decide to own an asset early. And on the journey to that, you have to, number two, invest consistently. Building wealth is really about one big investment. I've said that. It's usually about making good decisions repeatedly. And that brings us to decision number three that you have to make if you want to be able to save your future or make good returns before the age of 40. Number three is think long term. And I'm going to stay on this one a little bit. Own assets early, number one. Number two, invest consistently. And number three, think long term. So when you decide to be a long-term thinker, you will not be afraid to make small decisions that will in time compound, because you're not in it for what you can get overnight. That would help you be able to look at the stock market and buy shares from certain companies, because you're not looking to make money from that thing in 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 1 year. You can actually buy shares from a company as at the time you're buying, it may be cost $1 per share. It may not look like a lot, but if you're a long-term thinker, 10 years from now, the stock of that company can rise from $1 to $20. And imagine the little amount you used right now, right? So think long term. And also in thinking long term, it will also help you decide on the kind of friends you make, the kind of relationships you keep. And it's important I say this. Many people say, if I buy stocks now, if I invest in all these things, the password is in my head, the access is in my head. If I die now, the company will just keep my money, my shares will just stay there. Nobody else will have access to it. Now, that is where relationships come in. Decide to build relationships if you don't have family, but build relationships with people you can trust and that are doing things that you would like to invest in. So that myself, now I have people in my life, if I die tomorrow, right? If I die tomorrow, there are people who have passwords to investments I have done, and they can take the money and use it for their own business. I have intentionally had such people in my life, because this fear of, okay, if I die tomorrow, my money just goes with the company, also stops people from making certain investments that can change their life and the future. So think long term, and in thinking long term, build trustworthy relationships so that if anything happens tomorrow, the money doesn't just go into the system and get lost. No, somebody you love, you care about, that is building something can also use the money and build something, so that your spirit will not be angry after you die, if there's anything like that. So these three things are three things you can consider now, and that will help you think rightly, build rightly, and actually make something out of your life before you turn the age of 40. And if you're thinking to start with real estate in a little way, maybe real estate is where your interest is in, that's what we exist for. You can actually reach out to us on the phone number on the screen, and we will help you discover how you can start rightly in the real estate sector here in Abuja. I'll help you with any other first step you need to take towards building wealth for yourself.